Y'all see that? That is very yummy. Alrighty, y'all, so getting right into the hair. I literally just finished washing it. It looks a little skimp because the hair is like pushed all the way back, y'all. I'm really focused on the frontal, but getting right into it. I like to do all my parting on my baby hairs, all of that extra step on the wig stand. So I'm just gonna start off by giving this wig a middle part. So now that I gave it the middle part, I'm just going to focus on getting this correct, because I like, for some reason I like dramatic baby hairs. That's just me, y'all. I don't know what that's been about lately, but I've been very much into baby hairs, like dramatic ones. So as y'all can see, I like to push the hair down as I'm plucking it, just so that I can see exactly how it's laying. And I'm using this white t-shirt, y'all. It's very giving, it's giving very much ghetto, but I don't have a white towel. So I'm just going in using that method just so that I can see exactly how the hair is gonna lay when I put it on my head. And as y'all can see, when I use the Curts hair wax stick and some mousse and I lay the hair down, it's exactly how it's going to lay. Y'all see that? You want to be gentle, y'all. I noticed that this lace is I believe this is HD lace. I don't really remember, but this lace is so good because it's not thick and hard, y'all. It's not like Swiss lace. And please ignore my middle fingers being missing, y'all. I don't know what's going with my nail tech, and I don't know what's going with my nail tech. She fucked up my nails, but that's okay. So as y'all can see, I'm just nicely plucking the hair. Please don't pluck hard. If you do, you are going to snap or snag onto that lace, which you don't want to do. So with every pluck, I literally pluck, 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 push, pluck, 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 push, pluck, 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 push, like literally. And as y'all do that, you can see how it's looking very realistic. And I'm low-key going for a widow's peak. That's why you can see there's hair up here, so that when I push it back, it lays down really smoothly and nicely. All right, y'all, so apparently I wasn't even recording this freaking important part, y'all, but I'm really upset about that. Anyways, I ended up going in using my Curts hair just to flatten the frontal out. I'm so upset it wasn't recording. But yes, y'all, like, I'm just going in with that Curts hair, being very generous because this unit is loose wave, which means that there is some thick curls underneath the actual frontal. So I've been just standing here for the past 10 minutes pressing. I thought I was recording the whole time until my camera fell asleep, and I'm just like, why would you fall asleep if I'm recording? Turns out, wasn't recording. But as y'all can see, I've literally been here just pressing this hot comb into the unit. And I was just explaining how if you would like to go ahead and, like, you know, bring the hot comb all the way down to like the hair, you can go ahead and do that. But for me, I don't like to do that because then you like straighten the actual curl of the hair, which I don't want to do. That's not what I'm trying to, that's not the look that I'm going for. So I'm just making sure to press both sides of the unit. I'm really gonna show you guys the right side because this is the side that you see. As y'all can see, she's laid flat. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat that all throughout the unit up until I have it straight to my preference. If my lashes is leaning, y'all, please disregard it. I've had these lashes on like all day, and you know, they look cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Ebin latex. This is my Ebin latex free lace wig adhesive. This is literally my baby, y'all. Like, this is the only wig adhesive that I use, and I can literally tug on my wig and it still be in place. So So I'm just gonna go in, put in 2 extra layers on top of it, and I'm gonna use my blow dryer just to blow it out and dry it off even faster. All right, y'all, now I just finished putting on the 3rd layer. It's still drying on my forehead. So right now I got the unit off my wig stand. This is it. Yum.org. Okay, I'm gonna use my Ebin tint. This is in the color darkest brown because, you know, it's kind of what we are. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that on the unit, and then I'm gonna blow dry the tint off so that it doesn't like bleed into my glue. This is just how I like to get my wig mounted. It's just preference. I like to go ahead and measure exactly where my wig is going to lay. I already parted like my baby hairs, which still has to be tweaked just because, you know, my wig stand is not really my head. So now we're just gonna lay the lace right on top of that glue. And as y'all can see, literally skin, scalp, give it what it gotta give. I'm going ahead just using my rat tail comb just to press that lace into the glue. Pretty much what I'm gonna do now is, after my hair has finished, you know, curing, I'm just gonna take off my elastic band like so. So I'm gonna fix this because I kind of overplucked, y'all, like a lot, and so I'm gonna finesse and fix it, you know, jug and finesse it. So as y'all saw before, I was able to hot comb my unit really well. So starting off, I'm just gonna go ahead and fix this thing that we got going on over here, and I'm gonna use this root cover up, and hopefully it covers up, you know, the overpluckedness over here. If not, your girl is fucked. So I'm just gonna go in using my concealer. This is in the color Toffee by Too Faced, or from Too Faced. And I'm just gonna use a precision brush to brush that on. Oh Lord, I done fucked up already. So I'm just gonna grab my comb right here. So as y'all can see, very much was able to finesse just to, you know, just a good amount. So now going in with them baby hairs. You know what, I actually think I am gonna hot comb my hair back, but let's just focus on the baby hairs real quick. So just grabbing the hairs. So I like to cut like up to like my eyelash. Just cut generously because you can always fix long hairs compared to you cutting it too short. Then you can't fix it. Then you out looking crazy with premature baby hairs. I kind of sort of like the whole adult baby hair looking thing. Don't come for me, y'all. I just feel like it's so like that bitch material. But again, don't come for me. That's just preference. So I'm just gonna take my bed head and curl the unit upward and curl my baby hairs upward. Y'all already know the vibe with this one. Like so. Very much giving it that bump. Same thing here. And so as always, I'm just gonna go ahead using my Narobi. This joint is finito, y'all. Like I'm literally squeezing onto hope. And one thing I really love to do to keep my baby hairs in place is I like to use my Ebin Extreme Hold, and I like to just spray the edge brush while it has Narobi on it, like a mixture, a concoction, and then this just keeps the baby hairs literally sleeked down so that it does not move anywhere. Because y'all know how sometimes when you use Narobi, the top of the baby hairs likes to wake up and do a lot of extra movement. So yeah. All right, y'all, so I know that I said that I was not going to hot comb my unit again, but duty calls. So I'm just gonna go right ahead and go crazy because the flatter the better. The flatter the better. All right, y'all, so now that I'm finished with that, I decided to go in. I was gonna go in with a dry unit, but because I feel like I should detangle my hair and things of that nature, I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, get the hair damp a little, you know. But I'm not gonna overdo it just because I still want that dry look. I've been like super obsessed with the dry big like looks, so I'm not going for a wet look. Usually I go in with a wide tooth comb, but I'm just finger detangling just because I just washed this unit and it should be easier for me to use my hands though. And just for precautionary measures, y'all, I'm using my coconut curls by Organics, and I'm just gonna use some of that just to, you know, tame any frizz that happens, you know, after the hair dries off. So just this much, and I'm just going to finger comb that through the, you see how, yo, do y'all see the curls? Like, come on. It's giving baba boom boom, okay? Just to add on, y'all, for those who haven't seen like my 10,000 other videos on this unit was provided to me by Yolissa Hair. This is their 22-inch Waterwave unit, and like I'm literally obsessed. Like, this is my first time like having a Waterwave unit. That's why I've been constantly installing it, because like I literally love it, and every time I install it, it just lays on my head even better. Like lace, giving very much skin. Alrighty, y'all, and just like that, we have a nice, healthy, juicy, voluptuous unit going on. Let me just turn around so that you guys can see the unit from the back. This is a 180 density wig. And yeah, and just like that, guys, this is the end of the video. I really do hope that you guys love and enjoyed this video. I sure did, because your girl's looking like a 10 out of 10. You know, we started the video off looking like a -9, but now we up looking, you know, summertime fine, and she looking like a nah, I'm just playing. But as always, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe with your friends, and I will catch you guys in the next video.